Welcome to Intella. In this video, we'll explore how to use the Restore Annotations feature to recover lost tags, taggings, and flagged items from another case. To demonstrate this, we've prepared two cases, a new case titled Audit Test 1 and a copy of that same case. The copy case contains the same annotations, including tags, taggings, and flagged items, as the original case. We'll now proceed by opening the original case and remove its annotations, which includes the tags Hear, Look, and See, and all flags, to simulate a situation where they've been lost or deleted. In real investigations, this can happen for a variety of reasons: accidental deletion, import issues, or data corruption. So recreating that scenario helps us demonstrate how Intella restores this information. This step allows us to clearly see the difference before and after the recovery process. Once the annotations are removed, we'll be able to verify how effectively the Restore Annotations feature brings them back into the case. Upon removal of the annotations, we'll return to the case list screen and begin the process of restoring them using the Restore Annotations feature. To begin this process, select the case you'd like to restore annotations to and unshare it. Then, navigate to the Sources button and click on Maintenance to choose the Restore Annotations option from the drop-down menu. A window will appear, prompting you to select the source location of the annotations. Browse to the backup copy of your case and select the Audit subfolder, which contains the file named events.log. This log file stores the annotation history that will be used to restore the data. Next, ensure that the Intella node performing the restoration process is listed in the Indexing node field, and click Start to continue. The Restoring Annotations process will begin. The annotations from the original or broken case will now be imported into your current case copy. Please note that the file paths you provide must be accessible from the Intella node performing the restore operation. When the process has finished, return to the case list screen, click the Share the Case button, and open it to confirm that the restoration has been successfully completed. The recovered tags, taggings, and flagged items should reappear in your case, just as they were before. And that's how you use the Restore Annotations feature in Intella. This concludes the section on restoring annotations in Intella. For any questions, please consult the Intella documentation and contact our support team regarding any technical issues. Thank you for watching.